Stay Gurupiya Namaga children. Today we are going to learn exponents exercise 6.1. Before going into the exercise, first we must know what is exponents. Okay, so exponents are mathematical notation. Exponents are mathematical notations that indicate the number of times a number has to be multiplied by itself. What is exponents? Exponents are mathematical notations that indicate the number of times a number has to be multiplied by itself. Okay, children. See that first question. Express these numbers in exponential form. Express these numbers in exponential form. So if you want to write in exponential form, you have to use the prime factorizations. Okay. So take the number 125. 125. So the number ends with a 5 is divisible by 5. So 5. 5 2s are 10. 5 5s are 25. Again 5. 5 5s are 25. So how can we express this 125 equal to 5 into 5 into 5. So we can write is 5 power 3. How many times we multiply? 3 times. So 5 cube. So this is the exponential form. This is the exponential form. Okay, children? So 125. So what is the answer? 125 equal to 5 cube. You understand? So the next one, 288. Okay, first you divide 288, divide by 2. 2 1s are 2, 2 4s are 8, 2 4s are 8. Again by 2, 2 7s are 14, 2 2s are 4. Again by 2, 3 2s are 6, 6 2s are 12, 2 18, 2 9 2s are 18, 3. So how can you write this? 288 equal to 2 into 2 into 2 into 2 into 2 into 3 into 3. Okay. So how many times I written this? Here, how many 2's are there? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So 2 power 5 into 3 square. This answer 2 power 5 into 3 square. So this is the exponential form. Write the answer 288 equal to 2 power 5 into 3 square. Do you understand, children? See the next one. Minus 8 by 27. Minus 8 by 27. So you know very well minus 8 by 27. 8, how can you write this? Minus 2 into minus 2 into minus 2 divided by 3 into 3 into 3. Okay. So how can you write this? 2 by 3 the whole cube. So what is the answer? Minus 8 by 27 equal to minus 2 by 3 whole cube. See here, 216 divided by 343. First you find out the prime factorizations. Okay. So 216 divided by 2. You can write it as, how many times it occur? 2 1s are 2, 0, 8. Next again by 2, 5 2s are 10, 4 2s are 8. Again by 2, here 2 2s are 4, 7 2s are 40. 3, 9 3s are 27, 3, 3. Next, Here 343. 343 divide by 7. 4 sevens are 28. Remaining 6, 63. 9 sevens are 63. So how can you write this? 2 into 2 into 2 into 3 into 3 into 3 divided by 7 into 7 into 7. Okay. Now 2 cube into 3 cube divided by 7 cube. So here a cube, here 2 cube into 3 cube. So powers are same. We should multiply the base. Okay. So 2 3s are 6. You can write as 6 cube divided by 7 cube. This one how can you write? 6 by 7 the whole cube. Okay. Or else you can divide this 216 by 6. You can take it as. Okay. If while divide by this you will get it 6 into 6 into 6. You can get 216. You can put directly also. Or else you can use the prime factorization to find out the answer. Okay. First you divide this. So we expressed 2 cube into 3 cube divided by 7 cube. Here the powers are same. So you multiply the base. So 2 3s are 6. 6 cube divided by 7 cube equal to, here powers are same. So you put it commonly. Okay. How we are writing this? A power n divided by b power n equal to a by b whole power n. So you can use these formulas and do this. You understand, children? See the next one. Express the numbers in their expanded forms and write their values. Okay. So we have to express the numbers in the expanded form. Then we need to find out the values. Here what is given? Minus 7 the whole cube. First expand this minus 7 into minus 7 into minus 7. Okay. So 7 sevens are 49. Minus into minus plus. So 49 into minus 7. So 7 nines are 63. 3 remaining 6. 4 sevens are 28. 28 plus 6 34. So 343 plus into minus minus. So minus 343 is the answer. See here minus for whole power 4. Minus 4 whole power 4. You have to write 4 times. Minus 4 into minus 4 into minus 4 into minus 4. So 4 4s are 16. Minus into minus plus into 4 4s are 16. Minus into minus plus. Now 16 into 16 will get 256. 256 is the answer. Okay, children. See the next one. So what is given? 1 by 3 whole power 6. Here 7 by 12 whole power 2. Okay. See here 1 by 3 whole power 6. So you have to write 6 times. 1 by 3 into, or else you can write likewise. How can you write this? You know the formulas. A by b whole power n equal to a power n divided by b power n. Likewise also you can write it. So 1 power 6 divided by 3 power 6. 1 power 6 what you will get? 1 only. Okay. Then 3 power 6 you want to find the answer. Okay. So 3 into 3 into 3 into 3 into 3 into 3. So 1 by 3 3s are 9, 9 3s are 27 into 3 3s are 9, 9 3s are 27. Now you multiply this 27 into 27. What you will get? 27 into 27. 7 7s are 49. Remaining 4. 7 2s are 14. 14 plus 4 18. 2 sevens are 14, 4 remaining 1, 2 twos are 4, 4 plus 1, 5. So 9, 12 remaining 1, 6 plus 1, 7, 729. 1 divided by 729. So this is the answer for 1 by 3 whole power 6. Do you understand, children? See the next one. 7 by 12 the whole square. 7 by 12 into 7 by 12. 7 sevens are 49. 12 12s are 144. So what is the answer, children? 7 by 12 the whole square equal to 49 by 144. The next one, yeah, 11 by 7 the whole cube. Okay. So 11 by 7 into 11 by 7 into 11 by 7. First you multiply. 11 11s are 121 by 7 sevens are 49 into 11 by 7. So 121 into 11. What you will get? 1 2 1 1 2 1 1 3 3 1. Okay. So what you are getting? 1331 by 7 nines are 63, remaining 6. 7 fours are 28, 28 plus 6, 34. So 1331 by 343. Okay. See the next one. Evaluate the following. We need to find out the value of this. Here 2 power 6 is given. Okay. So how can you write this? 2 power 6, 2 into 2 into 2 into 2 into, sorry, into 2 into 2 into 2. 6 times you should write the number. Okay. So 2 twos are 4, 4 twos are 8, 8 twos are 16, 16 twos are 32, 32 twos are 64. So what is the answer, children? 2 power 6 equal to 64. Next, minus 6 whole power 4. So minus 6 into minus 6 into minus 6 into minus 6. So what you will get? 6 6 are 36, minus into minus plus into 6 6 are 36, minus into minus plus. So 36 into 36 you want to find. 6 6 are 36, remaining 3. 6 3s are 18, 18 plus 3 21. 3 6 are 18, 8 remaining 1. 3 3s are 9, 9 plus 1 10. 6 9 2 1. What is the answer? 1296. Minus 6 whole power 4 equal to 1296. Here 1 minus 2 by 3 whole power 5. Okay. So first you simplify the bracket. Here you want to take the LCM. Okay. Before that, here small changes. 3. One minus 2 by 3 whole power 5. Okay. So here take LCM. Here 3 you take it. Here denominator is 1. So we need to multiply with the 3. Once you multiply the denominator, you have to multiply the numerator also. So 3 minus 2 whole power 5. So 3 minus 2, what you will get? 1 by 3 whole power 5. So what is the answer? 1 power 5 by 3 power 5. So what you will get? 1 power 5, 1, 3 power 5. We just multiply here. 3 into 3 into 3 into 3 into 3. Okay. So 3 3s are 9, 9 3s are 27 into 3 3s are 9. So 9 7s are 63, remaining 6, 9 2s are 18, 18 plus 6, 24, 243. So what is the answer, children? 1 minus 2 by 3 whole power 5 equal to 1 by 243. Do you understand, children? See the next one. Minus 1 by 2 whole cube into minus 1 by 3 whole power 4. So, minus 1 by 2 the whole cube into minus 1 by 3 whole power 4. So, first you apply this minus 1 the whole cube divided by 2 cube into minus 1 whole power 4 divided by 3 power 4. Because a by b whole power n equal to a power n divided by b power n. So minus 1 whole cube, what you will get? Minus 1 divided by 2 cube, you will get 8 into minus 1 whole power 4 plus 1. So divided by 3 power 4. So 3 3s are 9, 9 9s are 81. 3 power 4, what you will get? 81. Now you multiply this. Minus 1 into 1, minus 1 divided by 8 ones are 8, 8 8s are 64. So what is the answer, children? Minus 1 by 648. Do you understand, children? See the next question. So minus 3 cube into 5 by 3 whole square. Okay. So minus 3 cube, what you will get? Minus 27 into 5 square by 3 square. Okay. So minus 27 into 5 square, what you will get? 25 by 3 square 9. 9 ones are 9, 9 3s are 27. Now you multiply this minus 3 into 25, you get minus 75. So what is the answer? Minus 3q into 5 by 3 the whole square equal to minus 75. Minus 75. Do you understand, children? See the next one. Simplify minus 2 by 3 whole cube into 1 by 2 whole power 5. Okay. So first simplify this. Minus 2 cube minus 2 the whole cube divided by 3 cube into 1 power 5 divided by 2 power 5. Because a by b whole power n equal to a power n divided by b power n. Okay. So minus 2 the whole cube, what you will get? Minus 8 divided by 27 into 1 divided by 2 power 5. 2 power 5, what you will get, children? 2 power 5. 2 into 2 into 2 into 2 into 2. So 2 2s are 4, 4 2s are 8, 8 2s are 16, 16 2s are 32. Okay. So 2 power 5 equal to 32. 32. Now you multiply this, minus 8 into 1, you get minus 8 divided by, okay, 27 into 32. Or else before itself you try to cancel this number here. Here see the cancellation. 8 ones are 8, 8 fours are 32. Okay. So now you multiply, it is easy. Minus 1 divided by 4 sevens are 28, 8 remaining 2, 4 twos are 8, 8 plus 2, 10. Do you understand, children? So what is the answer? Sorry. What is the answer, children? Minus 1 by 108. Do you understand? So before multiply the number, you simplify it. Okay, that is easy to multiply. See the next number. See the next question. Minus 7 by 8 whole power 3 into minus 5 by 7 whole square. So minus 7 by 8 into minus 7 by 8 into minus 7 by 8, because before multiply the numbers you try to simplify. Okay. So minus 5 by 7 into minus 5 by 7. See here, 7 ones are 7 ones are 7 ones are 7 ones are. Then any other possibilities are there? No other possibilities. Now you multiply this. So here minus 7 minus into minus plus only. Okay, we leave this into minus 5 into minus 5 divided by here 8 cube. So 8 8s are 64. 64 into 8. What you will get? 32 remaining 3. 8 6 are 48. 48 plus 3 51. So 512. Now you multiply this number, minus 7 into 5 5s are 25. Minus into minus plus. Okay. 512. So now 7 5s are 35, 5 remaining 3, 7 2s are 14, 14 plus 3 is 17. Minus into plus minus divided by 512. So what is the answer? Minus 7 by 8 the whole cube into minus 5 by 7 the whole square equal to minus 175 divided by 512. Do you understand, children? Thank you, children.